If time travel were possible, it would be fascinating to travel back 100 years and experience the European cities of that time. Each city had its unique charm and culture that still fascinates us today. For example, in Belgium, the famous statue of Mannequin Pies, a peeing child, has been a symbol of the city since the 17th century. Legend has it that during a siege of Brussels, a small boy put out a fire with his urine, which saved the city. To honor his bravery, the statue was erected, and it has been a beloved landmark ever since. In Amsterdam, the canals were just as picturesque 100 years ago as they are today. In fact, during the early 1900s, the city was known as the Venice of the North due to its numerous waterways. The canals were used for transportation and trade, and the buildings that lined them were often warehouses for goods. In Stockholm, the pier was an essential part of the city's maritime history. During the early 1900s, Stockholm was a bustling port town, and the pier was a hub of activity. Ships would dock here, and goods were unloaded and transported throughout the city. The pier was also a popular spot for fishermen to gather and sell their catches. In England, the Houses of Parliament and the Lambeth Bridge were just as iconic 100 years ago as they are today. The Houses of Parliament have been the center of British politics for centuries, and the Lambeth Bridge provided a vital transportation link across the Thames. One interesting fact is that the current Lambeth Bridge is actually the second bridge to be built on that site. The first bridge was demolished and replaced with the current one in 1932. In Florence, the Palazzo Vecchio was the seat of the city's government during the early 1900s. It is a stunning example of Renaissance architecture and was once the residence of the powerful Medici family. Today, it is a museum that offers visitors a glimpse into the city's rich history. Lastly, in Paris, the Pont Alexandre III Bridge was a symbol of the city's elegance and style. It was built to commemorate the alliance between France and Russia in the late 1800s and is adorned with ornate sculptures and decorations. At the time, the bridge was a favorite spot for strolling and socializing among Parisians. Overall, traveling back 100 years to experience these European cities would be a truly incredible experience. The history, culture, and landmarks of that time period still captivate us today and offer a glimpse into the past that is both fascinating and beautiful.